Welcome to the Innovation Forge.
We're going to calculate that daily average change. So we'll build another subquery export here. Now we're not going to join, and we'll just do a formula. We're not going to join to our historical tracking entity here because we need to get our most recent and second most recent values. So we're actually going to add a couple of additional subquery exports. And maybe this is just the score difference. I'll just do diff. Rank 1, rank 2 of total. I'm just call this nesting. And we'll do a formula here as well. And we'll do another subquery export. And this is where we're actually going to do our join. And we're just do historical. Oh, I probably need to refresh all of our pieces here. And then we'll refresh our architectural joins library. We'll give that a second. And we'll just cancel out all of this. We'll just start this again from fresh. When it's refreshed, okay, so that's refreshed. So let's try this again. We'll add a subquery export. And this will just be score difference, rank 1. Well, this is daily average. Historical track, daily average nesting. So I'm going to change that to a formula. Another nested subquery, and this will be our score diff, rank 1, rank 2, total. And we'll do another formula. And we're going to get our rank 1 right now. So we'll do our join, historical score tracking. And we're going to go ahead and filter this on type. And just do this nesting. And let's go ahead and sort on our created date. And we'll just do this descending. We'll format this as real. Real would give you those decimal point access. Integer would just give you those whole numbers. So we'll just do total here. And you do a better naming conventions than what I did. So this will be score rank 1 total. So we can save that. And then we'll just do rank 2, which is that row offset. So this will give us the most recent and the second most recent totals. And you'll have to have like a separate query set up to be cataloging these while you're calculating your total scores. So now what we need to actually do is get the difference. So we can just rank 1 minus rank 2. This is probably going to be the larger number unless you have a very substantial use of negative points. And then let's do this for the dates as well. We'll just change this to date. We'll do this to date. I just realized my audio had an issue, so I will probably having at some point switch to my computer audio. Sorry about the quality difference there. Sorry, a little out of sorts now. So yeah, we'll just do date. change that to date. Now, to get the actual date difference, we'll just do what we have been doing, and just do a date difference. Date diff, day. And now we'll flip the order here because we want that kind of first date as our anchor or comparison. And then we'll get that most recent one. So this will be the number of days between the second to last and the last entity runs. And we'll save a copy. So now we have the difference between the totals and the number of days between the totals. So we're just going to do our score difference total. And then we're just going to divide that. And we'll do another null if. We talked about this a little bit when we did our click rates. And then we'll just do our difference of date. That way, if students are just falling into this, or you have something weird with your runs, it just gives you that. So that's, I think, about all I wanted to cover in this video. So taken with the first video, I think this is a pretty good starter for doing feature engineering in Slate. When possible, I tried doing in formulas rather than just with concatenates and coalesces. With like the login streaks, I just did concatenate though, because that's going to be a series of pulls that they were concatenating. So I was not about to do that in formulas. So I think this is a pretty good starter. Let me know if this video is helpful at all, or if maybe I should do more videos like this in Slate. Whether it's configurable joins, feature engineering, or other pieces. Definitely want to make sure that the Innovation Forge podcast is helpful for you all. So yeah, let me know. Thanks and have a wonderful day.